Hello again, everybody. So we're checking out the Swill truck here. Of course, this is the Peterbilt tanker truck from Matchbox. Very cool version of this truck. Swill, dredged straight from Lake Erie to you. And that sounds super disgusting to me. But I think that was the whole point of that Saturday Night Live skit back from the 70s. Kind of an interesting choice for a Matchbox vehicle. But I like it a lot. Looks pretty cool. This one's got a little bit extra detail from the usual versions. So that makes it into a really good version of this truck. Quite nice. Of course, there is a little driver in this truck. So I like that. And a quick look at the back. So yeah, an old Saturday Night Live truck from that set of SNL vehicles they did 17, 18 years ago probably now. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching.